So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial to get into. If you want Google to show a useful description of your Google site in search results, here's how to get a meta description on Google Sites. Firstly, open Google Sites and select your website. Open the specific page and make sure your page has a descriptive title that accurately explains the page is about. Google Sites doesn't provide a WordPress-style Yoast SEO box where you can simply enter a custom meta description for each page. Instead, make the beginning of your page useful and descriptive. Include the important terms that accurately describes your page. Before publishing, make sure the page clearly answers what is this page about and who is it for, and what informational service does it provide. Your title and opening content should make the answer obvious. When you're finished, click Publish and make sure your website is publicly accessible if you want it to appear in Google Search. Now, add your Google site to Google Search Console and verify ownership. Then Search Console allows you to monitor how Google is discovering and displaying your website in search. After publishing, use the URL inspection tool in Google Search Console. Enter the URL of your page and check whether Google has indexed it. If appropriate, you can request indexing. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.